Hi everyone, welcome to Wise World channel. A short story. Betsy and the Wolf. Betsy, the goat, lived with her kids near a forest. One day, while leaving home, she said, "Kids, do not open the door to the wolf." Soon the wolf came and said, "Open the door, it is your mother." The innocent kids opened the door. The wolf gobbled them up and slept. When Betsy returned, she saw something moving inside his body. She carefully opened his stomach. Her kids came out, safe and sound. They quickly filled his stomach up with heavy stones. The wolf's stomach was so heavy that he fell into the lake and drowned. The moral of the story is, bad people are always punished. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.